Hello from Grand Valley Farm. It's July 17th, 2025, and it's about 10:45 in the morning. About 83 degrees, and got one of these wood chips down in the garden area. They've been here for a couple of days. There's a lot of sticks in that first load, so I'm drop up on the hill. Then I'm break down a little bit before spread them across the garden. Many more trips. They're doing a layer across the top here. I want to till it under once I get everything spread out. Once I got enough. There for the neighbor. He has something to use in his yard. Well, that is it for today. Quite a bit done. Got to finish a layer across here when we get some more chips. I'll till it back in and start all over again. Yeah, appreciate you watching. Yeah, I can catch you next time.